This course is for students and professionals with minimal or no prior computing experience or formal training in programming or computer science. It's also for aspiring students who are either going back to school after some time away from academia or professionals who are beginning or advancing a career in information technology. Generally speaking, this course is an excellent introduction for those who want to learn the basics of programming and who have never programmed before. It's also a great refresher for people who have programmed before but who have not used that skill for some time.
This course provides an introduction to the Java language and object-oriented programming, including an in-depth overview of Java syntax and how it differs from a language like Python. Students will learn how to write custom Java classes and methods, how to test their code using test-driven development and unit testing, and how to generate complete and relevant code documentation from inside of Eclipse. Topics include basic data structures like arrays and array lists, and overloading methods. In terms of the workload, this course will take about 5 to 6 hours per week for approximately 3 weeks. In addition to consuming the produced audio and video content, there will be graded programming assignments every week, regular quizzes to assess your comprehension of the course material, and coding exercises to get you comfortable with object-oriented programming concepts using Java.